Good morning, sir. This is Aishwarya from EEE section bearing a roll number of 234G180201. Here is my presentation about Cauchy's mean value theorem. Before solving a problem based on Cauchy's mean value theorem, let me show what is the content of my presentation. Cauchy's mean value theorem, statement, proof, question and solution. First of all, what is Cauchy's mean value theorem? The mean value theorem of Cauchy's is a generalization of Lagrange's mean value theorem. The extended or second mean value theorem is another name for this theorem. It provides a connection between two functions, derivatives and changes in these functions over a specified interval. Statement: if a function f of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b where a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b and differentiable in open interval a comma b where a less than x less than b, then there must be at least one point x is equals to c on this interval as described by the normal mean value theorem as f of b minus f of a is equals to f dash of c into b minus a. This article will prove Cauchy's mean value theorem. Here is the proof. Let us know Cauchy's mean value theorem is based on the auxiliary function f of x is equals to f of x plus lambda into g of x, and select lambda in such a way that to satisfy the given condition f of a is equals to f of b, we get f of a plus lambda into g of a is equals to f of b plus lambda into g of b. F of b minus f of a is equals to lambda into g of a minus g of b. F of b minus f of a is equals to f dash of c. G of b minus g of a is equals to g dash of c, and the function f of x exists in the form of f of x is equals to f of x minus f of b minus f of a. G of x is equals to g of b minus g of a. F of x is continuous in the closed interval a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, comma, differentiable in open interval a less than x less than b, and takes equal values at the intervals points. As a result, it fulfills all Rolle's theorem requirements. Then in the interval a comma b, a point c exists. F dash of c is equals to 0. So f dash of c minus f of b minus f of a into g dash of c is equals to 0. That is equals to b minus a. Here is a question which we have to solve based on Cauchy's mean value theorem. Find C of the Cauchy's mean value theorem for f of x is equals to root x, comma, g of x is equals to 1 by root x in closed interval a comma b. Here is the solution for the problem. Given f of x is equals to root x, g of x is equals to 1 by root x in closed interval a comma b. Clearly, f comma g are continuous in closed interval a comma b. F dash of x is equals to 1 by 2 root x, comma, g of x is equals to minus 1 by 2x into root x or exist in closed interval, open interval a comma b. F of x comma g of x are derivable on open interval a comma b. G of x is equals to minus 1 by 2x into root x not equals to 0 in open interval a comma b. F comma g are satisfies all the conditions of Cauchy's mean value theorem such that f dash of c by g dash of c is equals to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. 1 by 2 root c by minus 1 by 2 root c into c is equals to root b minus root a by 1 by root b minus 1 by a. 1 by 2 root c into 2c into root of c by minus 1 is equals to root b minus root a by root of a minus b by root of ab. Minus c is equals to root of b minus a into root ab by root of a minus root of b. Minus c is equals to root a minus root b by root a minus root b into root of ab. Minus c is equals to minus root of ab. C is equals to root of ab, which belongs to open interval a comma b. Hence, Cauchy's mean value theorem is verified. Thank you, sir.